One of the key features of using Gemini in Google Sheets is the ability to have Gemini summarize your spreadsheets for you. Now, this can be super helpful if you have a lot of data in front of you and you just kind of want an overview before you dive in and want to find formulas, create percentages, etc. So to ask Gemini to summarize your spreadsheet, we're going to go up to the top right of our screen and we find the Gemini icon, which is the Ask Gemini. I'm going to click on it and it's going to open up our Gemini window. So it's already kind of giving us a summary up here. It also gives us some prompts, but I want to ask Gemini specifically to summarize, this spreadsheet. So, and it's going to take a second to prompt or to gather its information, and then it's going to give us a response. And then it's going to say the spreadsheet looks like a quarterly sales report, likely for Q2. It includes data on individual salespeople, their division, and it even breaks down the divisions that it's noticed based on how it's input into the spreadsheet, and their sales figures for April, May, and June. So it kind of gives us the information, which is really great. Now, something else that we can do outside of that is I also then can ask Gemini to explain this spreadsheet to me like I can ask it to explain to me like I'm 5 years old, to explain it to me like I am a business analyst. So you can ask it to explain it to you in different ways. So for example, I can say, explain this spreadsheet. Okay. And now it's going to explain it to me as though I'm a child, to put it into terms that might be easier for, say, a child to understand. Let's give it a second. So now it says, imagine a big store with lots of toys. There are different sections for dolls, cars, and building blocks. In the store, there are special helpers called salespeople who will help the people find the toys they want, and kind of goes through and explains it. So those are just kind of the different ways we can play with Gemini and ask it to summarize our spreadsheets for us.